there, we need to review section 5.1 and 5.2, especially since we have a midterm next week. So we need to make sure we understand. So you're going to be making a copy of these Google Slides. On each slide, watch the video if there is one, and then answer each question by filling in the text boxes. There will be a spot for you to turn this in. This is due Friday by midnight. Okay, Friday by midnight. And it should, hopefully it won't take too long, but I want you to take your time and just review your note cards from section 5.1 and 5.2. In this one, I want you to find these angle measures and you just type them in, okay? Woo. So you just type them in like angle A, you know it's supplementary with 145, so you just do 180 minus 145, and the reason is you say they form a linear pair, they're supplementary. Over here, I want to talk about E specifically. We were good on B, C, and D. Those are vertical angles and whatnot, linear pairs. But over here, remember, all the way around a circle is 360 degrees. 360 degrees. So make sure you realize that you would just do 360 minus 117 minus 146 to find E, and that's because all the way around a circle is 360 degrees. All right, take a look at this one. That has a D and that has a D. So that means that they're the same. They have the same measure, okay? So you would say D plus 82 plus D equals 180. And that's how you would find, you'd solve for D. So you get 2D plus 82 equals 180, and you would solve for D that way. Over here, all these G's, that means that they're congruent. There's three angles that are the same measure and they're G. So you've got 3 times 91 plus 3 G's equals 360 degrees. All right, this one is 360 degrees total, so you would set it up by adding all of these angles equal to 360 and then solving. Look at number 5. This one's way tricky, and it's definitely an honors level. And I've not done a whole lot of honors stuff, so you're going to have a system of equations. So you're going to be able to set up the vertical angles right here. 2x equals y minus x. You can do that. And the problem is you can't solve for x or y because there's two variables. So then right here is a linear pair. And so you can add those up and set equal to 180, and something might happen. Be able to solve for y and then plug in something. Okay, down here on number 6, remember that box means 90 degrees. So we got some stuff happening. Weird. This right here, B, this angle right here is 4x minus 10. That means this would be 4x minus 10 because they're vertical angles. And what do I know about x? And then this 4x minus 10 and that 90. They all add to 180. All right, let's look at this one. Well, this is x minus 10. I know that this is x minus 10. And this straight line right here is 180. And all of those added together would equal 180. And they all have x's. You could solve for x and go from there. Look at this one. That's 90. This is 3/4 x minus 2. This would be 3/4 x minus 2 as well. So I know 3/4 x minus 2 plus 2/5 x equals 90. And you can go from there with y. See, these get a little tricky. Let's see. Oh, let's see if you can figure that out. I don't see any 90-degree angles though, so we can't just assume that anything's 90 degrees. But I can put the 8/9 x plus 10 right here. Then I have a straight line here from E to F, and all three of those angles have x's, and I can add them up and equal to 180. More stuff. It's a lot of stuff. I may take some of this out. So when you make your copy, you may be like, I didn't see what she was talking about. Some more things. Name a pair of vertical angles. You'll just name them for me here. Here's where you find the measure of BOF, and then you justify your calculation. Like, why did that work? What did you do? What rules did you use? Here's some parallel lines. Oh, A is 48. Yeah. These two are supplementary. I think you're going to be good there.